Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Storychain token. Now this is a very brand new token that just announced that they're going into pre-market trading. Ticker symbol is IP, and we're going to go over the information on the Storychain token, and we're going to talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says tokenize intelligence. Story is the world's IP blockchain. If you check out the Twitter right here in the corner of the screen at Story Protocol, they have a gold verified check mark, over 2,500 tweets, 684,400 Twitter followers. And you could click on their, the link tree right there, and it's going to take you over to tons of links where you can find a white paper, document section, GitHub, Twitter, Discord, webpage, leaderboards, all sorts of things. Tons and tons of documents and info and all sorts of stuff on there. And this token, it was just announced on Lbank's Twitter at Lbank_exchange. It says new pre-market listing. IP from Storychain, so ticker symbol IP, will be listed in Lbank in the pre-market zone. So it says Story is a layer 1 blockchain specifically designed for the smart tokenization of intellectual property by anchoring $61 million worth of scientific, creative, and brand IP assets on-chain. Story enables users to programmatically define and automate monetization terms for how AI agents and human users can utilize their intellectual property. And their webpage is story.foundation. But yeah, basically, there is a trade here button, and it'll take you to lbank.com/trade/IP_USDT. But it says trading is not enabled until tomorrow, February 8th at 8 p.m. UTC time. So if you don't have an Lbank account, you could download Lbank from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could open an account on your PC. You would then fund your account with USDT. You go into the trade section, and tomorrow, this is starting tomorrow, of course. You go into the pre-market trade section, and you would search IP, and I think they have it listed as... It looks like it's probably just listed as IP. It might come up as like pre-IP or something like that. But yeah, the ticker symbol is IP. That's what you would search. And then you could buy the pre-tokens. Now, just be aware, pre-tokens are not the tokens. They're like points. And so basically, you can get these pre-tokens. And if you want to learn more about exactly, I mean, I've talked about what pre-tokens are 700 times, so I don't want to have to do it again. But you could learn more at lbank.com if you just search pre-tokens, and they'll tell you a whole story. Pre-tokens are also generally available on CoinEx Global, on Mexc Global, all sorts of other exchanges. Just today I'm posting 2 other videos. The Wallet Connect token and Soul Layer, the Layer token, both of those are available for pre-market trading right now on CoinEx, and those are also 2 huge projects, so check those out. Pre-market trading seems to be getting more and more popular. So anyway, Story is a purpose-built layer 1 blockchain designed specifically for intellectual property. Story tokenizes any type of IP, whether it's an idea, an image, a real-world asset, a song, an AI model, an NFT, or anything in between. By embedding usage terms, attribution, and royalty agreements directly into the blockchain, Story provides a transparent, decentralized solution for IP management. And this enables IP holders to protect their work, collaborate on IP seamlessly, and unlock revenue opportunities in an AI-powered economy. So why? When IP owners share their online work, it's easy for others to use or change it without crediting them, and they often don't get paid fairly for the work when it becomes popular or valuable, and this can be discouraging for people who want to share their ideas and creations but don't want to lose control over them. Additionally, the sheer speed and superabundance of AI-generated media is outpacing the current IP system that was designed for physical replication, and in many cases, AI is trained on and is producing copyrighted data. Story fixes this by providing a way for creators to share their work with built-in protection. When someone, including an AI model, uses a song, image, or any creative work that's registered on Story, the system automatically tracks who the original owner is and makes sure that they get credited. Plus, if that work generates revenue, say someone remixes a song and earns money, the original owner automatically receives their fair share based on license terms and what was set on chain. So how? Well, there are several elements that make up Story as a whole. So they have the proof of creativity, the application ecosystem, programmable IP license, and the world's IP blockchain. So Story Network is a purpose-built Layer 1 blockchain achieving the best of EVM and Cosmos SDK. It is 100% EVM compatible alongside deep execution layer optimizations to support graph data structures, purpose-built for handling complex data structures like IP quickly and cost-effective, efficiently. It does this by using precompiled primitives to traverse complex data structures like IP graphs within seconds at marginal costs, and a consensus layer based on the mature Comet BFT stack that ensures fast finality and cheap transactions. Our proof of creativity protocol, made up of smart contracts, is natively deployed on Story Network and allows anyone to on-ramp IP to Story. Most of our documentation focuses on the protocol. You can find their docs at docs.story.foundation. So it says creators can register their IP as IP assets on the protocol, and IP assets are the foundational programmable IP metadata on the protocol, and each IP is composed of an on-chain NFT and its associated IP account. So there is programmable IP licenses. You can check out all sorts of different examples of that on their page. They even have AI agents that you can use. There's staking as well. There's operating nodes. There's licensing, royalties, grouping, registry, disputes, all sorts of information, even frequently asked questions and tutorials on their document section, docs.story.foundation. And you can find this new token available soon for pre-market trading. So I would follow their Twitter, which is at Story Protocol, or follow at Lbank _ exchange. And they will announce soon when pre-market trading opens. So stay tuned for that. And let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And actually, this token is available today, I just noticed, for pre-market trading on Mexc Global. So if you actually want to get involved today, it just opened. It opened already, 9:30 a.m. UTC time. So check out the referral codes down there, Mexc Global. It's available now on Mexc for pre-market trading. So check that out. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.